Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle. This is
Sabrina.
And this is
Natalie.
Natalie. And how old are you?
5.
And how old are you? Can you say 2?
2.
Good. And today we are making, what are we making?
Mommy. Candyland cake.
A Candyland cake.
Yay!
Yay! And we recently had Carnival. And
Yes.
what did we get for Carnival?
Candy.
Lots and lots of candy. Are you hungry? Yeah. It's yummy, isn't it? So what we're going to do is we're going to use our leftover Carnival candy. Yum, yum, yeah. We're going to use our leftover Carnival candy to make a Candyland cake. Yay! So let's get started.
Let's get started.
We baked a 10-inch square funfetti cake and layered it into 2 layers. I don't have a cake board large enough for this, and I didn't want to make one out of cardboard for fear that it wouldn't be stable enough, so I placed it on a baking tray. Instead of stacking the cake, I placed the 2 layers side by side, trimming off one side so they would match up perfectly. I stuck them down with a bit of American buttercream and frosted the cake with buttercream as well. I didn't crumb coat this cake because this cake is too large to fit into my fridge, so there would be no point. I just frost the whole cake right away. Then I clean up the crumbs with a damp rag. Next, I got out rainbow colors of fondant, but discovered that I didn't have any yellow or blue, so I made some with food coloring. If you like what we do here, consider subscribing for a new cake every week. We also have regular bonus videos with recipes and tutorials. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Once I was happy with my colors, I set my cake aside and got out a small square cutter. Now I actually wasn't going to use fondant on this cake and wanted to use small square-shaped candies, but honestly, there aren't that many small square-shaped candies in Germany. So in the end, we decided to use fondant. I started out with red and set the squares aside, and then orange, then yellow, then green, then blue, then lavender, and finally pink. Then we place them on the cake in rainbow order, snaking around the cake. Just make sure to leave some space around the game board pieces for the candy to go. First off, if you've ever seen the game Candyland, it has candy canes around it. Candy canes are very difficult to find in Germany, but these marshmallow twists are everywhere and have similar colors to candy canes, so I use them as the border of the cake. I ran out of the long ones, though, and filled in the last gaps with small ones. The real game of Candyland has several distinctive areas, which have shifted around over time as the design of the game board has changed. So I decided it didn't matter where we put them. I let the kids decide. We started with the chocolate swamp, placing several different chocolate bars in that area. Because this cake is so thin, it wouldn't hold up tall lollipops, so I cut down the lollipops to make lollipop woods. We opened a package of peppermint candies to make Snowflake Lake. We unfortunately only got one single licorice candy this year, so I cut it in pieces to make Licorice Lagoon. I know it's technically Gumdrop Mountain, but gumdrops are hard to find, and we had tons of gummy bears, so we made Gummy Bear Mountain instead. We got tons of these peanut-shaped and peanut-flavored chips called Erdnussflips that I used to create peanut acres. We used pink marshmallows to make candy castles. We even added more when we realized we had another package. This cake was so fun to make. My girls and I had so much fun opening all the candy and deciding where to put it, and it looked so much like a candy wonderland I really wanted to walk through it. I know my girls wished it were real. My favorite area was probably Gummy Bear Mountain. Sabrina was in love with the chocolate swamp. Natalie ate almost all of Peanut Acres by herself. This is a really fun project if you have children. For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe.
All right, are you ready, Freddies?
Yes, I'm ready.
Natalie, can you please get down so I can get past you?
Okay.
Thank you. You want to say my line?
We need two.
Two girls, yeah? 1, 2.
Can both help.
Girl number 1 and girl number 2. Oh, so turn this over here. There we go. How's that?
Good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Say hello.
Hello.
So, you ready?
Yes.
Yeah.
Cheese.
Right.
I did it.
You did it. Can you get off my lap?
Okay.
I can't move with you there.
I can sit here.
Oh, you want to see yourself again? Say hello.
Hello. Hello.
Say, where's Natalie? Hi. You're just like looking at yourself. You're just so cute. Sabrina, you having fun?
Hello.
Hello.
Now let's bake it.
Well, we don't need to bake it.
Hello.
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 Hello. Hello. Hello.
Where's all candy?
We don't have any.
Oh no.
Just kidding.
Let's